That is Peter. Another one I had.
That's Mount Pierce. That's what he's got.
Yeah.
Looks like a cook magnetic acid.
Like the one time I had magnetic acid was like 32 slash.
And then you write it down.
Thank you, John.
Yes, you will.
All right, are we ready?
Oh, wait, 1 second, please.
Yes, sir. So make sure before you get literally started.
I just want to close so
Where?
I'm actually gonna do this.
So
Just post it on the chat.
what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk through the scenario. You guys are going to write down the stuff for the scenario on the marginal pieces, on the marginal spot in the bottom right, and then we are going to go over and build it step by step. Okay.
Sure.
All right, you are a primary plotter for an 81 millimeter mortar section. Your call sign is AMC. Write AMC next to the mortar symbol. Your position is at grid 9, 2, 1, 5, 3, 7, 1, 0. Write that next to your mortar position. With an altitude of 500 meters. Just put that nearby the mortar position. Your FTC chief determines your grid index to be 9, 3, 3, 5. Write that in the GI spot in your marginal data at the bottom. You should have a spot where you write GI, mounting azimuth, and referred deflection.
Say again, 9335.
9, 3, 3, 5. Your mounting azimuth, you should have a spot for your mounting azimuth to write down as well, is 3, 1, 5, 0. Don't do it yet. Remember, we're just writing it down and then you're going to walk through. With a referred deflection of 0, 7, 0, 0. The target prefix you will be using is Alpha Bravo with target numbers 1000 through 1040. Your FO, Avenger. So make sure you have the FO plot, label it as Avenger. Located at 9, 2, 7, 5, 3, 7, 0, 5 with an altitude of 450 meters. On hand, you have 300 M821 Alpha 1. With the given information, set up a modified observed firing chart. So make sure you also just write that round count that you have just at the bottom somewhere. Can we send it? Sure. Okay. All right. So now with your GI, you're going to make sure you're indexed on 0. You're going to superimpose that GI onto the plotting board. So from your pivot point, 2 clicks down, you're going to write that easting for the GI, which is
3, 1.
no, easting. Right and up, right?
7,
Right, then up.
oh, okay.
So your easting for your GI is what?
92.
What?
92.
Is it 9.2?
Yes.
That's the freaking MFP grid, your grid intersect, your GI.
Oh, my.
9.3. All right, 9.3. All right, and then from the pinpoint going 2 clicks left, you're gonna write that northing. What is the northing?
35.
3.5, so writing 3.5. Now, every kilometer up and down from 3.5, you're going to label. So 3.5, go 1 kilometer down, 3.4, 1 kilometer down, 3.3. Now from 3.5, go up, 3.6, 3 up, 3.7. All right, go to, what was that, 9.3?
Oh, yes.
All right, 1 kilometer left, 9.2. 1 kilometer left, 9.1. All right, 1 kilometer right is 9.4. And 1 kilometer right is 9.5. Now, if you're still in on 0, you can now plot your points. Before you do that, you can go ahead and do your mounting estimate. So spin to 3150.
around.
3150.
All the way around.
Sorry.
Just make sure it's indexed.
I forgot.
That's 3150.
3150, sorry, I always fuck it up.
You're going to the.
I'm going clockwise now.
Yes, you're on clockwise.
So 37,
What's deflection?
so you would be, I'm going up, I'm going counterclockwise,
I
right?
think that's where you put 0700.
So now superimpose your referred deflection on 3150. So write 07 on there. Okay, now deflection goes counterclockwise to every 100 mils. So 100 mils left, add 0.8. 100 mils, yep, 0.9. And you're gonna do 4 on each side, so. And, good. And then 07, 06, 05,
Yeah.
04, 03.
Created a grid. Yeah, so what's your ways? Yes.
Okay, now spin back to 0. Now you apply your flex. Remember, every green box is 50 meters. Every black box is 500.
Yeah, I know.
That's what we're looking for.
1, 5, that's 3 boxes.
So, 37.
I didn't know I had up 1 box. Oh, it's 1, it's 1, 0.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Sorry.
Come on, read 7. Up 1. It's mine.
Wait, so. 1.5 is how many boxes?
3
Once you've made your plot, make sure you circle it or label it with the FO symbol or the 81 millimeter mortar symbol. The mortar symbol will face the direction of fire.
Give me this.
What did you say on two?
You don't have to do. Oh, it is 2 boxes, not 1. Okay.
1, 0. What do you do with the 1, 0?
Sergeant, so for 9215, 377, 3710,
Is that 14?
what do you do with that 10?
14 boxes, right?
So
No, that's
use
wrong.
as a 4-digit grid first. So you're at 92 and then 37. 9237. You're gonna go 9215. So 15 is 3 green boxes right. So 3 green boxes right. And then 10 is 2 green boxes up. So go 2 green boxes up. So 3 green boxes right, 2 green boxes up.
Oh, 5, 10, 15.
Oh, right.
5, 10. Oh,
Yeah.
I forgot how to friggin'.
So for 7, for example, I have 9275.
Wait.
Every 2 green boxes would be 1 unit per
Yeah, 1, 2,
When-
7
when-
total, right? So I'll go like 1, 2, 3, all the way till I hit 7, right? That makes sense, sorry.
you would go 3 over, 2 up.
That's what I did.
So think about it.
He
It's
went
7.5.
three,
Yeah, it is 3/4 of a kilometer.
So 92.
So 3/4 of 2 black boxes. So 3/4 of 2 black boxes is 1/2 of 1 black box.
Okay, then I did, okay, then yes. So essentially, yeah, it is 14. Okay, I'm just retarded.
750, so
15, yes, because it's 7 to 5, not just.
each box is 15. That'd be 1, 4,
I'm gonna go up
14 boxes.
1 box, because that is your foot.
What's your number?
Would 750 be 14 boxes?
15.
Sorry. 15?
Okay, I have mine at 15.
Well, what's
I have mine.
75 divided by 5? 15. Sorry.
15.
So, you see what I did? Remember just regular fucking map shit, right? You just have it on an actual grid now, so anything you can measure better than you want on a map. Yeah.
This is just x-axis.
Yeah, so, like right here, for example, get my MFP, 92, 37, right? 92, 37, right here. This is where they intersect, right? And then obviously right in that, right? So I'm gonna go right because I'm still moving on 92, right? 92, and I need to go 1.5 units over. So 1 unit, so that'd be 2 green boxes. And then now I need to, yeah, that's right, at that 5, right? I need to go 1 more. Now I'm right there, right? Now I need to get my eastings, right? No, my northings. Get my northings, which is 3-7, already there, right?
Off by like
1, 0, it's only 2 boxes.
Was it because the euro wasn't exactly
2 boxes.
You're on
1,
like 5
2,
years. No,
that's
it's just
1
good.
unit now.
Of course, you need to be actually like,
Like regular fucking.
kind of like in the pocket of it.
So you.
But that's 5 meters, you're still gonna be checking, so.
So regular line half, so that's easy, right?
It's literally
So
the
the
exact
7
same
is
thing.
the X and a Y?
Yeah, they're just called eastings and northings.
Yeah, I just say excellent.
I always fuck them up.
Which one was one?
Sergeant.
This one or?
The FO is good.
Sergeant.
So
Correct me if I'm wrong.
So this one's
East.
right.
Eastings,
So this
right
one's
here, eastings.
Well, think about it.
I just get the terminology wrong.
You're going off north.
Think about it.
Yeah, I'm going
But
north.
you're not missing this. I don't know. This is east.
It's fine, I'm still,
That's north checked, so
If
if
we're-
your numbers go north, that's northing. When you go east, that's east. And
I just want to.
then the way to remember, right? So I always just remember right. That's always right. That's how I know that it's gonna be the top number first, because that's the one going right, and then the top number second, because that's the one's going left. Because it is just how to read a map. We're literally just making our own map right now. We're just building a map.
Wait, so here.
Avenger.
It's like,
What's going on? So here.
I don't know, I have a feeling
9-2.
since I just.
9-2, 3-7, right? 9-2 right here. 9-2, 3-7, right? They intersect right here.
I'm starting to, it's actually pretty,
Yes.
not that bad.
Sorry, I'm just.
I just had to watch the video like 5,000 times.
What the fuck is he talking about?
Alright, we understand the concept?
Yes.
We do.
Pizza.
Okay, guys, show our report.
Okay, so
Pizza fight. What's he called? How do I get hungry? What do I say? Nothing.
No, it's good. 37. Right, 15, up 10. So it's right 3 bucks. Is that for each of them? And then.
all I did was the fire. We did the FO and the guns, but not the.
Alright. Make sure the boards are fed. And let's get the next 2 guys on board.
Judge Alex.
Make sure it's all right.
What do I say?
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
Where's the?
Should actually see them. Alright, go ahead and get your mortar fire position, your FO position, your GI, gas method, and reverse collection put down at the bottom. If you are not currently on the board, you will be helping the guys get their boards out. So
I should put that at the target as well.
this time, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna read you the scenario, and then you'll start putting your board together, and then you guys are going to teach back each other to get the boards up. I will be silent until you guys are ready, to test.
Yeah.
Or ready for me to check your board.
Don't get it mixed up.
Are you 2 ready? You are a primary plotter for an 81mm mortar section. Your call sign is AMC. Your position is at grid 9, 2, 1, 5, 3, 7, 1, 0 with an altitude of 500 meters. Your FTC chief determines your grid index to be 9, 3, 3, 5. Your mounting azimuth is 3, 1, 5, 0 with a referred deflection of 0, 7, 0, 0. The target prefix you'll be using is Alpha Bravo with target numbers 1000 to 1040. Your FO of Venture is located at 9, 2, 7, 5, 3, 7, 0, 5 with an altitude of 450 meters. On hand, you have 300 M82 Alpha 1 with the given information set of a modified observed firing chart.
So just take your grid index. Yeah, make sure it's 0.
So use the GI. So go down line. Go
2,500.
2093. And then left. Is it? Left. 2000. And then now go up kilometer. Go up 36. Kilometer 37. And so
5.
same thing with 93. So that way we subtracting.
5, 6, 7, 4.
So right.
Alright, we got that out of the way. Now we can get the mounting line.
Now that you actually do it, it's pretty darn.
Here.
Spin.
Now, before you do that, get your azimuth. So your mounting azimuth has to be 150. So turn it all around to your 150. We'll put 0.7 on that. And then left we subtracted right behind.
Wait, let this be 0 right here.
No, so with right here, you're gonna go full 10 over to the next one. Full 10.
No,
Yeah. Full 10.
Yeah.
This is halfway between,
10.
here's 3, 2,
Ah.
3, 1. It's gonna be halfway between, right? Just like right here. The exact same thing. You're gonna be 10 units over, right, the next. We 0.8 or we 0.6?
0.8.
No, it's right as
No,
you
it's
subtract.
more you go to the left.
Yeah,
Right
because
as
it's deflection. Yeah. Left add, right subtract. So yes.
Why do I keep writing it 8?
Remember Lars and Rouse.
Wait, I thought it was the other way.
No, you're on
No,
the
because that's where else.
Left add, right subtract. Go 4 each way. So you're gonna go like, what is that, 0.8?
6,
0.6,
0.5,
0.4,
0.4,
0.3.
And go back to 0.
3, 4, 1, 2,
That's
3,
1, and 1.
Now we're at 0.
And we're ready to
Now plot your points.
Just plot it. Yeah.
92, 37.
It'll be 3 boxes. Boxes, right?
9, 2. Alright.
And then 2 boxes.
So that's 150, so we're gonna move 3 boxes. So 1, 2, 3. That's gonna go to the Y. I'm gonna go to 37.
Yeah, it's gonna have to be up.
What's up?
So with this,
You're up by
just
1
take
meters.
your, what do you have?
Wherever the target is
right now.
You go
9.237. Don't move those units just yet on 9.2. Makes it harder when you get all the way up. Go 9.2 and then find what do we got? 3.7. Found 3.7. Find out with a intercept.
Yeah.
Right here, right? The intercept right here. Now make your small movement. You know what I mean? It just makes it a little easier. So like
15 to the right.
Yeah.
2, so
Where's that box?
boxes.
So each box has 10, so just go 10 around.
2, stack on it.
1 up.
2, 1.
It's 0.5.
Because our deflection's not here, we're not there. Alright, 9, 2.
Okay, 1 box.
10, 5, 10.
7.
It's 0.5.
Yeah.
Alright, that's 50, it's 15 because we found that last one. So this could be the whole 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so 5, that's just 1 box.
Wait.
Where did that run to?
Circle.
Why did you put a triangle?
Hey, your MFP is good.
No, not my MFP.
Oh,
Make sure your dots are very small.
Cause I moved 10 boxes.
what is it, a 927 block?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Okay, no, sorry. Yeah, 7, 5.
Yeah, so each box has 10 boxes, so
another 5.
we move a box, another 5.
Shiner and Giannis, you guys are both 313s.
That's what
Yeah,
You got your MFP? Just, or
That was good.
Right here.
Yeah, check.
Good, I was just need to prepare a vote.
Being honest, what you can do, honestly, it makes it one
Yes.
easier, is not this like belligerently large.
Yes.
for your FO. Yeah, belligerently large, because the dot is like inside that triangle, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't matter how big a triangle is, it
Depends
just
where
makes
the-
it a lot easier to see.
Yeah.
So we go 7, 5, 3,
drawing belligerently large. Yeah, now we just need
What
our.
does this say? What's this 5?
I kept writing 8 in front of all of those numbers. Like, why would I keep writing 8?
I take some reps with the
I was like, oh yeah, 0, 5, and I wrote 8, 5.
One of found a
It's not bad at all.
practice plotting board.
Set it up.
You're good. Discuss it.
Then I'm sitting there, I'm writing, I'm saying 0, 5, and as I said 0, 5, I wrote 8, 5.
8, 5, so remind me where the numbers go, backwards again?
Because left and right is on track, so do the Lars and Brawls,
You want
Brawls
on there when you plot it?
Lars is
Deflection.
deflection, so it is deflection.
Plot isn't exactly on.
You'll do the Lars rule.
Right,
So when we're doing that, we want
you need to have the name for your.
0, 7.
You practice for 7.
Right here.
You use 0, 7. You write 0, 7 at the, where.
Actually, you were wrong. You were wrong. Because you did your freaking deflections backwards.
Left, dead, right, Travis.
My bad, I missed that.
I recommend just setting it up that way, you don't have to.
Cool. Next guy. Yeah, man, honestly, just freaking use.
Huh?
Let's
Stand
go.
up.
That's my
Yeah,
next
just
thing.
stay.
You're gonna waste my fucking eraser. Use the magic erasers. They're there for a reason.
I see.
Or is it because it's referred deflection, not a referred action?
Because it's a deflection, yeah, so it goes counterclockwise.
I see. My bad. Forgot that.
I was wondering, because you did it one way and you did it the other way.
Yeah,
It's alright.
that
It's
was
a learning curve.
that one's supposed to go this way. That one's supposed to-
Alright, discuss your board, get the next guy on.
Sorry.
Yeah, so like, my,
But we did that. We had to get this.
Let me know when you guys are ready.
yes, so I took my position.
How many people have went? 2 people on each side?
My position was.
Alright, so there's still one left?
And then.
Maybe
we
my
get
fault.
extra. I put
Once
the-
he's run through,
I'll do
once he's run through, we'll run through another one. If anybody feels like they want to try to get less than 60 seconds, then feel free. And just tell me, and we'll try.
So,
And you won't make it, but. Worth a shot. Alright, cool. Ready? You are a primary plotter for an 81 millimeter mortar section. Your call sign is AMC. Your position is at grid 9, 2, 1, 5, 3, 7, 1, 0 with an altitude of 500 meters. Your FTC chief determines your grid index to be 9, 3, 3, 5. Your mounting azimuth is 3, 1, 5, 0 with a referred deflection of 0, 7, 0, 0. The target prefix you'll be using is Alpha Bravo with target numbers 1000 to 1040. Your FO, Avenger, is located at 9, 2, 7, 5, 3, 7, 0, 5 with an altitude of 450 meters. On hand, you have 300 M821 Alpha 1 With the given information, set up a modified observed firing chart.
So what do I do first?
You're gonna index right here, okay, take that number, 9-3, or, oh, sorry. 9-3 intersect right here, we're gonna go right, put a 9-3 right there, okay?
The coordinates there, right?
9-3, and then a 3-5, another, 2 clicks, so 1,
There's no target on it right there.
So this is just this scenario, we have a.
and then, obviously, you're going down numbers, right?
I'll show you in a second, I'll show you.
So every 2?
3, 4, yeah, 3, 4,
Okay.
and
Getting
3,
to our
3.
position, we're going to get
Same
that data,
thing.
we're gonna get the data of our position, the data is the FO from the
No,
prospect.
no, this way.
And
Yeah,
then
because you're already doing it right here, right?
And it goes
The
9-4.
FTCG is
Yes.
gonna find our GI.
Because you're going
He's gonna
up
find
and
our
around,
again, right?
same thing
And
there.
then once we reciprocal lay,
Left to right.
we're going to have a referred collection. So then we'll have all the information we need to set up our plans.
Okay.
There is no target.
Six thousand.
It's not at all. But after this, after both of these are plotted here, then,
other one?
Yes, so now you have your actual grid.
then you have a
What
vision,
you wanna do?
then you have to plot,
First.
set a
Well,
target,
first what you want to do is
and
take
then you parallel plot the target,
take,
and get your data.
here's so go to 3150 on there, make sure it's right on that fucking line.
This way, 3150, make sure it's
Scores
forward.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
So-
And put 0, second, 3, 0, 0.
So
That's your first selection. And this is.
Is nobody helping?
So left add, right subtract, right? So
Ads, okay.
you left add, so you're gonna, oh, careful,
Zero.
0, right here. You're right here, you're gonna go full left, see how you're halfway between
Your deflection.
Oh, wait, you're gonna go
Left,
10 units.
So
Right here.
your deflection is going to
No,
apply
10
10 units to go count.
Right
Here or
to
right
here, 10 units.
Just
You're
here,
at
07,
10
07,
units.
and then
I
you're
started
06,
at
05,
That's
03.
yeah.
You
Then
started at
0,
07.
4 on each side.
08, 09,
Yeah. And then 0, 6,
Counter, clockwise.
0, 5. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, no, the one you're going down.
It's 4, 0, 3.
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't write down the GFs.
Now, you have that all plotted, go back to 0, 0. You're spin it. All the way to 0. All the way to
So
0,
you're
0.
only given a 4-digit coordinate.
Make sure it's.
That's right.
Last time. Yeah, make sure it's perfect. And honestly, you could probably like. Plus
2 kilometers, 36.
Now you're gonna go remember like a 9 now?
So 9-2.
9-2, so
Sounds good, right there.
3-7, yeah, good shit.
We'll do a tiny. So
Like 15 boxes.
Yep, you're gonna go
10
over.
and then 5-0.
Did you guys
No, so remember, each
Start with that.
one, so each,
And then your y-axis, which is
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
no, if you're not going
Each
to
2
full
clicks
10
in there.
boxes.
3,
Realize,
9, 4.
for this one,
More.
Oh, it's just
And 2 clicks.
so you have 1, 5, right?
7.
I'm gonna, it's 3 boxes, I'm gonna tell you why, because for that third number right here, that 1 is gonna count as 2 individual boxes. Okay, so you're gonna go 1, and then that 5 is gonna be half of a box, okay?
Oh, yeah.
So, or half of 2 boxes, so it's half of 2. It's half of 15, 1, okay. See, you would be right here, and see how you just, you see how I went 3 boxes
That way
with
you
that?
know what you-
It's complicated, it'll mess with you, right? So you're gonna be right there, and then with that other one, now you have to go up, north, right? Exact same thing, it's 1, 0.
The best way
So,
to look at it is because.
1, 0, so that first number is
You
1.
just say boxes.
No, 1, it'll be 2 boxes up. Remember, because each, if there's a 1, it's gonna be 2 boxes, right? But on
Oh,
that
yeah,
fourth
yeah,
number,
yeah,
it would be 1 box.
yeah.
Make sure your points are really.
Yes, that's correct. Just make sure it's right on that intersect right there.
It's gonna be perfect.
Yeah, good shit. Right there, exact same thing for your FO, just
Okay.
different numbers. So 927 and 9235, you're 7. So same good intersect.
So 2 equals
7, so you're going 7 boxes, 7 sets of 2 boxes. So
Oh,
for
okay,
example,
but-
1,
yeah.
2, all the way to 7. So in reality, you're going 14 individual little boxes.
Okay.
And now remember, 5, that's only half a box, because 5 is half of 10,
This
right?
5 is
So it would be 15 boxes over.
Oh.
Sorry? 15 individual green boxes. Bitch. Set is a bitch, so that's
1, 2.
Oh, we're finishing, huh?
1, 1, 2,
Okay, here,
Logistics.
and then one more, right? There's 5, there's 7, 5. Here. Yeah, so you're going, so this is it. Is that 15? Total, or, sorry, double check. 7.5, I should say. So, you're gonna 1, 2,
You know, I used to, like, I had
4,
so many,
5,
and I would write my hands.
6,
This,
7,
I read it.
right? And then that 5 at the very end, right? You gotta go 1 more. So half of the box, or half of 2 boxes. Yes, 15 technically 15 total. Yes, that's correct. So you're right there. Remember, you also have to get your Nordic as well. So you're gonna go. It's 0, 5. So 0. So 0. You're not gonna be moving 2 boxes like a quarter of a box.
No.
Half of a box, if you will. And it's a 5. Remember, half 5 is 7. So if I'm not, if it's 0, 5, how many am I moving up? Correct. 1 individual little box? Correct. It's a 5, right? It's not full numbers, yes, 2 boxes like everything else.
Now that the next do it, it's like, I'm like, I'm hands-on.
Yeah, exactly.
That's, try your FO right there.
Boom, done.
Plots point. Yeah, plots point. Point plots.
Not too bad, huh?
Yeah, you used to be able to do this, so.
Not too bad, huh?
Good shit.
I'm gonna focus it. I'm gonna try and send it to you.
How good I do?
No, I was watching it.
Alright. Did I check the board yet?
Yeah, yeah.
No, I'm sorry. Damn, that's a fat quad.
What the fuck is that? Bad person.
Alright, you're gonna redo this, because it's just a fat.
Where, the point you, like, you like big edges?
That's like,
It's gotta be a tiny dot.
that's like a 20 meter
What is that?
plot. You want your plot to be like 1 meter to 2 meters.
Barely.
Oh, my. Yeah.
What's happening to your
No.
Leave my,
No, you guys are
restarting all
What's
of
happening to your shit?
After every mission?
You don't want to, you're.
not necessarily after.
Not after every
When
mission.
we're training, yes.
That was terrible.
This is all I did today.
Hey, remember what I said about how we retain knowledge? You retain 30% of what you hear, what you write down, and like 80% of what you teach back, right? So make sure everybody's getting reps on teaching the next guy, all right?
You gotta use.
Starting to mind.
Everybody back.
Back to work.
All right. Shooters, stand by.
I'm back.
You are a primary plotter for an 81 millimeter mortar section. Your call sign is AMC. Your position is at grid 9, 2, 1, 5, 3, 7, 1, 0 with an altitude of 500 meters. Your FDC chief determines your grid index to be 9, 3, 3, 5. Your mounting azimuth is 3, 1, 5, 0 with a referred deflection of 0, 7, 0, 0. The target prefix you'll be using is Alpha Bravo with target numbers 1000 through 1040. Your FO, Avenger, is located at 9, 2, 7, 5, 3, 7, 0, 5 with an altitude of 450 meters. On hand, you have 300 M821 Alpha 1. With the given information, set up a modified observed firing chart.
Circle these two.
These two meters, you're gonna go. And Alpha Bravo
1, 0.
10002. Yeah. No, I did sign it to like, so. Those are the target numbers.
straight 93. Well, 33. And then
Okay, so what was it called there?
I hope so.
Thank you, guys. So then it's 15 and 10. So 15 times 3. Just say land as a 10. And then doing theirs.
Before you move,
So you do
whenever you're done,
92
I'll let you read
and 37 again. 75, so 15, so a box and a half.
Yes.
Yeah, you got it.
And then I do
Go back to
0. And I do this.
Oh shit.
Right, sir.
Okay, now
You're good.
I do one. So what is that?
Really, add imaginary zero divided by, well, actually, we just divide 15. 15 divided by 5 is 3, so we just add that 0.
So
It's just 3 bucks.
you get the money?
Where'd
you get this from? Did you steal that?
Over there.
So you know,
Just
3.
do it.
How many
Yeah,
are
no,
there?
I'm not as much. You can use it.
10 divided by 5.
Yeah, I know I can use it. How about 3?
That's easy.
Wait.
10 divided by 5.
2. Fuck me.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ready to juice?
Oh my god, dude. You're gonna set another pop. Just keep the same pop.
No, I keep losing
You should.
Well, all you can do really to make this easier is it's already over 50 because 10 times 5, right? So it's going to be over 10 boxes. So your one's going to be clear. Or your one's going to be 500 meters, right?
I'm at 15 right now.
So it's going to
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I don't think anybody has 15. I know.
Because
Myself.
myself.
Alright, I'm gonna try this.
We'll do it after you.
Just go and say, hey. Up.
Yeah, so you add X and just go through Y.
Which
Have
is,
something about jail.
which is 5?
No, you're still, this is your, I just each day there. You're just going on board.
I know that it is.
Yeah, so you're moving 15.
Which is the right.
Once you get to your part where you're 15 to the right, you're just going to move.
Sorry, what's the fastest?
She's not seeing somebody do this.
I mean, you just did it in 8 seconds.
That's pretty fast.
Well, that was also you guys writing your sweet time on
There
time.
we go. 1.
That's true.
I go 1.
So I'm gonna do it again, but I am the fastest I've ever seen you. Fair enough.
Or is there a way that you do it so that it's faster, like,
Absolutely. There's 3 things that I do to make it faster. And I'll show you guys that in a second.
That's like a regular walking thing off, but like, start getting your broken city steps.
oh, hey, you did it right.
Plot those, and then get your,
Yeah,
attitude before he's even done talking, just so that when, by the time he's done talking, started, you just plot your hot
Oh,
Not 60s. Oh,
basically.
we are,
Oh,
we
regular
did,
triangles.
we did more.
It's all coming back.
And we mark it again, like, it's like, oh.
Is that triangle?
I don't think the brush out would.
It is.
You're gonna try to pay for it.
I'd like to see what I can do.
Yeah, yeah, that's good.
For sure.
Sucks.
Do you understand why we, we're going forward with
I'll
that?
put your FO funds.
Is it?
Yep,
Okay, I know.
50 meters off,
How many, huh?
50.
Should be 10 boxes.
10, not 15?
Oh, because you did 14.
Oh.
So that one's 50 meters off, which is 1 big box.
Yes.
Damn, dude.
Okay.
Where's that count?
Go back down.
5, 6, 7. That's crazy.
Okay, I don't know if this is going to help you guys, but the way that my brain works is in quarters from this year. All right, so if you have 4 quarters, what is that? 100, right? I'm retarded. So if you have 4 quarters, it's 100 or $1, right? If you have 3 quarters, it's what? So 3 quarters of 2 black boxes, 75. Or if you have 2 quarters, 50 cents, so bring 1 black box. So I think of two black boxes is 50 cents, 50, right? So just 500, boom, right? If I think of 3 quarters, then I have 75. So if I look at 9275, I'm immediately like, that's 3 quarters of 2 black boxes. So I go 1 and then half. And then that's my 3 quarters. So then I'm already immediately right there on that line. It's just narrowing it down, the 10 green boxes that you have, cutting it into sections so that way you can just like mentally divvy it up easier. Okay.
Is that correct, those were?
That's correct. Yep.
Well,
Because your boards, does anybody want to time? All right, your Montez and timer.
let's see. Where's Scott go?
Yeah, sure, Brad.
Where?
Brad.
Oh, good. Maintenance. Okay. I've been creating a bunch.
I believe in you.
Co-loaded and enhanced.
Make sure you're next on 0. Make sure you're freaking MFB, FO, GI on the estimates in the first part. Alrighty. Gentlemen, are you ready?
One second.
Sergeant, does the altitude actually like appearance number running matter?
It matters once we start firing, but right now we're just setting up the board. Because, boom. It actually doesn't matter until we fire. Alright, ready? Alright. You are a primary plotter from 81 millimeter mortar section. Your call sign is AMC. Your position is at grid 9516377 with an altitude of 500 meters. Your FTC chief determines your grid index to be 9435. Your mounting azimuth is 4250 with a referred deflection of 2800. The target prefix you'll be using is Charlie Delta with target numbers 1000 through 1030. Your FO, Beowulf, is located at 92753705 with an altitude of 450 meters. On hand, you have 300 M821 Alpha 1. Given information, set up a modified observed firing chart. Your timer has started.
You write this stuff on the board as it's counting. If you wanna make it.
20 seconds remaining. Done.
I tried that method, you use the 3/4 ship. You don't have to be sloppy.
Your MFP is wrong.
Done.
You got completed in 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Yeah, I was way off.
And you got completed in 2 minutes and 1 second.
I was off. Oh.
This was off by 50 green squares.
You got good ability to
Your FO plot is, or sorry, your mortifying position is also off.
I was confused how you, so it says 160.
Yep.
How do you, so you go 50?
Whatever you're thinking, you're correct. Because you did the right thing, you just aren't close enough to the actual clock.
Starting that correct today. I was always talking, so it's 160, so it's not a whole 150, and a 107 of 70.
What's wrong about it?
So I went middle.
What's your grade?
Because
9516.
No. That's,
Alright, hey, look at this board here real quick. Eraser and pencil.
Stop.
Look here, both of you. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to identify 95. Okay, then I'm going to identify 37. So I'm up here. Now, 9516. 9516, I'm going to go to 3 boxes. My 9515. 16 is only 1/5 of that box, of that next box, alright? 1/5 of that next box. So 9516, 3707. So I'm going to go to the 05, and that's 2/5 of that box. So I'm going to go 1/5 of that box and 2/5 of that box.
so confused. Like, just
Just in the corner.
Right there. And then that is my plan. You also put the first question in the wrong spot. Because it would be 4250, so I would spin to 4250.
Correct.
And, oh, actually you did it right. You just left the old, one on there. So that would be still a fail. Guess whoever erased it. Alright, guys.
This guy.
So, 1/6 would
Go
be.
ahead. I'm not going there. You might care. That's not gonna go.
1/5 of the next one.
It's
yeah.
how No, it was.
Just because that last number is still like 10 meters, but that box is 50. So 10 meters on 50 is 1/5.
That's good, Jack.
Alright, we're gonna take a technical pause, right? I'm gonna pause this. Alright, I'm also gonna go over. Are you doing it? No? Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys real quick the few things that I do to speed myself up. So, let me rotate the iPad to where you can see it. So your plotter for 81 millimeter mortar section, your call sign is AMC, all right, AMC. Your position is at grid 9516 3707 with an altitude of 500 meters. I'm just gonna walk through it and then I'm actually gonna do it here, Montes. Can I stop there? Sure. Go. Your FTC chief determines your grid index to be, at this point, I'm not gonna write my grid index down here. I'm going to immediately come to my drop 2000, all right, and my left 2000. So your FTC chief determines your grid index to be 9435. See what I did there? Your mounting azimuth is 4250. I'm not going to write it down here. I'm going to spin to 4250. And then they're going to give me the referred deflection with a referred deflection of 2800. Next, they're going to talk about the target prefix. I don't need to know that stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write in the rest of my freaking referred deflection. They should be done talking about the referred deflection, and then they're going to say your FO Beowulf, and then that's going to be your reminder to go back to 0 when he says FO Beowulf, and you're going to write Beowulf, and then located at 9275 3705 with an altitude of 450 meters. And then he's going to say on hand. When he says on hand, you don't need to know the rounds. So you're going to immediately start building this. On hand, you have 300 M821 Alpha 1 with the given information. Set up a modified observed firing chart. So now all I have to do is that 9596, and then I'm just plotting 9516 3707 to 9516 3707 right there. And then 9275 3705 is right here. And I'm done. Alright? Even walking through it slowly, I probably would have made time. So that is how I do that. And I'm going to show you one run at speed so you guys can see how quick you gotta be. So when your Montes go, you just discuss so you can restart.
Kill.
Alright, and then somebody read the thing, somebody time.
I'll read it.
Alright. Are you ready?
I'm ready, yes.
You are a primary plotter for an 81 millimeter mortar section. Your call sign is AMC. Your position is at grid 9516 3707 with an altitude of 500 meters. Your FTC chief determines your grid index to be at 9435. Your mounting azimuth is 4250 with a referred deflection of 2800. The target prefix you will be using is CD with target numbers 1000 1030. Your FO Beowulf is located at 9275 3705 with an altitude of 450 meters. On hand, you have 300 MA21A1 with the given information. Set up a modified observed firing chart.
That's pretty much it. So, like, when whenever they call grid index immediately, you see how I don't have any of the information down there? It's because it's all on the board immediately, as soon as it gets set.
So we don't think I have it on the board.
So long as it's on the board in some way, shape, or form, right? Because the whole purpose of how the plotting board is standardized is somebody should be able to pick this up and be able to read and understand what's going on and be able to do fire missions with it, even if they didn't create the board. So I should be able to hop over to Miramontes' board and be able to do fire missions with it. You know what I mean? Okay.
What do you do?
Did you talk about?
I think you made it. You were timing too, but you did.
I might have bare.
Just do it a lot of time.
That's not what's wrong.
Score on your fault.
All right, cool. So we're gonna do reps like that for a minute. So, yeah. We're gonna do that for 20 minutes, and then we're going to break the show.
We're doing pizza bites, huh?
I'm gonna not eat anything because that waste.
Do I
Maybe I'm at 32 waste.
I'm not 30.
That's a lie.
So,
Dude, you have like an 82 waste.
so, trying to.
Oh, shit.
Anytime you guys are ready.
Take the bitch you do.
So I forgot, today's my appointment for,
He gives GI.
I have an appointment today for my elbow.
Yes.
When?
At 10:20.
So the first number is
At
down here,
10:20?
and the second number is over here.
So,
And then you're gonna give.
when did I say we're gonna start the show?
Yes.
Wait a minute.
In
Wherever
20
it's
minutes.
at.
And then.
So you're
Put
fine, you're
down-
going to be fine.
I'll just wait for those if I don't.
Grab your number there.
So you
You'll come back in that.
Say it's 3, 4,
Left address.
3, 4, 5, 0. 4, 5, 0.
Starvich is referred azimuth, I think.
Have I ever said that that's a thing?
No.
Alright, let me time it.
It does not exist.
Get both of us.
Alright,
So
alright.
that's stupid.
Alright, yeah, let me write something right up. If you say it's gonna suck, it's gonna suck. Hey, let me make
This
this
is the
ready.
second time I'm gonna
Man, I got 2 minutes more to say that's bad.
Just imagine that times 10.
You are a primary plotter for an 81mm mortar section. Your call sign is AMC. Your position is at grid 951633707 with an altitude of 500 meters. Your FTC chief determines your grid index to be 9435. Your mounting azimuth is 4250 with a referred deflection of 2800. The target prefix you'll be using is Charlie Delta with target numbers 1000 through 1030. Your FO, Beowulf, is located at 92753705 with an altitude of 450 meters. On hand, you have a 300 M821 Alpha 1. With the given information, set up a modified observed firing chart. Timer chart.
Oh shit. So figure it out. Left, you need to do
Yeah.
subtract, so. Yeah. That's what we're doing this side.
You just did left and up, didn't you?
Done.
Time.
I don't stop the time, he's still going. What was it? I think it right now.
Yeah.
Well,
I'm not confident.
gun down.
So it's off.
How much? And your plots are too big. Those are good. You're off by 50 meters.
No, try again.
Yes, I need to check it. You can, but you're also hogging the board.
Yeah, that's true.
You guys can.
Are you gonna go again?
Are you done?
I
Fit up the,
Okay, are you done? Hold on, let's go. Okay, I am going to inspect your fucking board. You're not gonna give up on a fucking mission. Are you gonna give up on a mission in real time? Okay, so you're going to do it, and you're going to do it until you succeed.
Yeah, I was 50 meters off my plot, and so like,
Cool.
but it's
Back
still
on the
on
board.
hey, you got him, calms down.
You wanna go over here?
You know how to go.
Don't worry about the time, just try and do the short first.
Shit,
Worry about
yeah,
the
remember, don't write down your
I
grade.
wouldn't worry about the time,
Index.
just try and do it right.
Just drive on your guns as well. If you get confused, be like, oh shit, how far down do I go?
And it's the
There's 2,000 right there, it's at the 2,000. Or make it
Just
go 1, 2, like full tracks right add. If I can believe it. Go down to 2,000 and then go over 4.
You are a primary plotter for an 81 millimeter mortar section. Your call sign is AMC. Your position is at grid 9, 5, 1, 6, 3, 7, 0, 7 with an altitude of 500 meters. Your FDC chief determines your grid index to be 9, 4, 3, 5. Your mounting azimuth is 4, 2, 5, 0 with a referred deflection of 2, 8, 0, 0. The target prefix you will be using is Charlie Delta with target numbers 1000 to 1030. Your FO, Beowulf, is located at
Try the 4-2.
9, 2, 7, 5, 3, 7, 0, 5 with an altitude of 450 meters. On hand, you have 300 M821 Alpha
Before you
War
build this part.
with the given information set up a modified observed firing chart. If you didn't get any of that information, request it. If you didn't get any of that information, request it.
And then now just turn around the 4-2-5. We have the info.
I think I messed up, but I'm not getting too involved.
Yeah, I just said it.
I'm doing it this way to my connection.
And then mounting has been 4-2-5. And then now refer deflection to 800. Now spin FO 9275 75 3705 meters. Before you build that, do that. 4250.
Done? What's his time? 138?
Nothing.
Mortar fire position in the wrong spot. Your FO's good. Your mounting azimuth for deflection are good. It's just your image.
Like 1/5 of it.
Yeah.
Okay, good job.
9.5, what?
Yeah, it's already up here, because it's gonna be 1/5, so you're not more over 2.
He said go fly.
Okay, so like, make sure that shit's on 0. Great. So, right there, right?
Yep. And you go up 2 fits.
So, you're gonna go,
So you're
first of all,
160
Right.
meters.
not up and
160
right.
meters.
Okay, so you're gonna move right first.
Yeah.
Okay, so
It's fine.
over 1,
And
6,
then
so
60.
you go,
Oh, that's what I
you go
You just go a
2,
little bit
and
to
then
the box.
go 1 more, because that's
Go
6. and then you go
That's
just
at 70.
past that,
Yeah, no.
They're
I
at
can
the
see
70s.
this. I'll right.
just past that third line, and then you're gonna go up, it says 0.7, so you're gonna go up 5, and then go up 2. 2 tiny, like just little.
Yeah, no,
just
I have
tiny
it right.
bit.
I was just 50 meters off.
You were
One.
more.
And then it's a
I'm like supposed to be right here.
because it's 7 0.
You're
on
your
your
one.
Yeah, no. I was supposed to be like right here because it's supposed to be.
Right there.
Oh, you're right. No, it's 100 meters.
Yeah, you were.
Supposed to be right.
Yeah, it's 750.
One box, right?
That's awesome. Let's see. Yeah. So it was 200 meters. I was supposed to be 2 green boxes to where I completely disregarded. I was just looking at the 6. I'm like,
Yeah.
oh, it's supposed to be like one little tick.
Yeah, you gotta go, that one is 50 meters.
Yeah, so I know it's 2 green boxes.
And then you gotta go one more, and then a tiny bit over that third
Yeah.
box.
I see.
Yeah.
Board up.
Before I ever tried it, but I rush it.
Pull it down.
Also, your left ear deflection. I was gonna write it down.
Those are mine?
Yeah.
No, they're not. They really?
Yeah. Because I'm gonna go to it for.
You're welcome, motherfucker.
Well, I already knew where to go. And I'm like, oh,
What's wrong with
it?
You're welcome.
So, what is the east ends? 9516, right? So 95 right here, 16.
Look at
so
that.
15, right? So 1, 2, 3 boxes,
Steer.
and then
No,
6. So 95, 9515.
Where are you?
9516 is only 1/5 of that box. Okay. So you're like 60 meters off.
Go.
So would you like to check me? I just moved the MFP because I realized I was shooting boxes away.
Nope, now it's worse.
Work.
That was just bad. That was
Now you're
bad.
at still 50 meters off.
Good.
Oh, dude, you missed it again. You didn't go up. You didn't go up all the way. That's
Oh, fucking stupid.
You gotta go up
Yeah.
1 unit
Yeah.
and 1 square, and then up 2. So
Yeah.
like 2/5 of a square.
Yeah, okay. So that was the references in there?
Like 2/5.
You guys got 0.
Realize as well, you still have that, you still have that 1/6, right?
Yeah.
You need to go, this is where you are. So realize that 1/6, so you're gonna go 1 unit or 2 technically. Then you're gonna go over 1 more because you're at 1/6, right? But realize it being at 1/6 and not a 1/5, you're gonna be just ever so slightly stacked right there. Then you gotta slow down to go down from
I have 4 people fucking.
370, 0.7.
Trying to write.
You're gonna go up.
I'm just trying to.
One full
Because you're
unit,
like,
one square away from this one.
On this side and on this
And
side.
just.
No,
this
the math-
one
math
right there.
In general, like
Yeah.
numbers in general.
So,
I've never just returned. No, like it's a legitimate thing. I cannot do it.
But just
That's
your.
Just know I'm very fucking obese. I'm with What are you, like 80 pounds? Yeah, you're a victim, dog. Real fast. I'd rather be a victim than get taken. Okay, yeah. I'd rather
That's
be a
what
fucking
I'm-
monster. You can't get taken. Look at him. He's too big to get taken. I'm not gonna take off of it.
dude, you can use a ratchet strap here on lean.
Yeah.
Yeah, you make the
Stomach
earth,
does
you
not
make the
work.
earth lean. Your stomach leans over.
Dog, you don't even know what abs are. You're just talking to your fucking life.
When he says lean, you mean his stomach
Would
leans over.
you like to recheck again to see if I got it right? Make sure.
His belt's cocked. His leg looks leaning.
Yep.
I
I'm
took
surprised
some-
your belt hasn't frozen, dude. Your belt might be the strongest thing in the entire
How
world.
about you shut the
Alright,
fuck up?
who hasn't gotten a good rep yet?
Man.
I got a really good, no, because.
We'll just need 2 then.
And that.
Good time.
15.
Alright,
is fucking.
Brez,
Yeah.
hop on the other side.
No, I see what I did. I thought, I don't know why.
But you fucking.
I didn't say. What, dude?
Yes, you did.
You counted
My
14.
F goal was wrong. Oh. But you.
No, because I thought you could count to 15.
I can't.
I know, that's why I had to recount for you. Sorry.
I don't know, I
You got Perez, Pettis.
I got ads on
Alright, are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Are we both good? Honestly, good.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
We're going today, after.
Oh, I forgot all about
Alright, uniforms.
Alright.
Oh, we got shit at home.
Ready?
Uniforms. Well, I didn't get.
Shut up.
We gotta check in. No. He just said bring all my uniforms, go look it over. I said, Jesus.
Don't even write your grade and see next year, you just.
Well, the Mortars take it forever to load.
Just said it.
Don't even write down. This is what happens when you rely on technology.
I'm looking forward to the meeting. What's that mean? You recruited me.
Sorry, when you taught me this,
I don't know,
it
dude,
was
I'm getting pretty frustrated with it. The recruiter that recruited me.
Yeah, you just got charged out. You are a primary plotter for an 81 millimeter mortar section. Your call sign is AMC. Your position is at grid 9, 2, 1, 5, 3, 7, 1, 0 with an altitude of 500 meters. Your FTC chief determines your grid index to be 9, 3, 3, 5. Your mounting azimuth is 3, 1, 5, 0 with a referred deflection of 0, 7, 0, 0. The target prefix you'll be using is Alpha Bravo with target numbers 1000 to 1040. Your FO, Avenger, is located at 9, 2, 7, 5, 3, 7, 0, 5 with an altitude of 450 meters. On hand, you have 300 M821 Alpha 1. With the given information, set up a modified observed firing chart.
Yeah, Sergeant, are these gonna be here at lunch?
Fuck no.
Yeah, I was gonna could run through it like we gotta find them. Like one of them will buy it.
So you can usually get plotting boards on eBay, but they won't come with range arms because usually it's like broken. There is a 3D printable range arm that's out there somewhere. I haven't been able to find it, but you can download like the thing for it and then get it 3D printed at the wood shop. I have not found the actual file though, so.
Like, I was thinking more for just this, like, the practice with it.
Yeah,
No shit, they actually did find those.
they do. They're usually in really shitty condition. A lot of the first things that break down on the plotting boards is the pivot point. The pivot point will fall off because it's just a magnet. So a lot of them won't have pivot points on there.
I don't know. Yes, sir.
Yeah. $800.
What was it?
Like 117 My time was off because something got lost. Like that.
Yeah.
I already
37.
I already know this.
Your MFP is plotted wrong.
Your
FFP
2713 150. I think you put it at the wrong line. I didn't want to correct you while you're just
Why did you put your
and then two backwards, so it's two up.
Eastings are backwards? You just went left and up. It's right and up. So fix it. You good? Those are my pencils. You're gonna waste my erasers. You use the freaking magic eraser.
You gotta fix it.
Oh, you're gonna fix it?
Good.
Sweet.
Go green.
I'm not fast enough for this one. If you guys aren't fast enough, I'll just grab it.